Hello, Activity 5, Speaking English to Student Marta Yasmina Aguirre Beltrán, ID 1033-71902. Oral Presentation, English Lay 2. 1. Introduce myself to tell about my trip experience in Cartagena. 3. The winter in Cartagena. And for recommendation, you would go to Cartagena. Entonces, myself, my name is Marta Aguirre Beltrán. I am 29 years old. I live in Bogota. I am studying environment engineering. I have a children. I like dance and Mexican food. My trip experience in Cartagena, the last vacations, we went to Cartagena. It is a beautiful place. The beach, the historic place. The people are very keen and friendly. The seafood, it's delicious. Never the food is expensive, but I see the sunset is wonderful. The most important place is Wild City and the San Felipe Castle. The weather in Cartagena, is sun in the morning, afternoon, and night is very cool. There and the magic Peace never ends is rain in October. The warmest month is February. And recommendation, if you would, is Cartagena, is very important. The fall, this recommendation. 1. Use the tour guide. 2. You should use sunglasses in the day. 3. Show soul is screen. 4. Is very the tag safe days. 5. You add in soft place. 6. You as the sink of the beach. Thank you. Bye.